Verisurf 2022 expands the functionality of group alignment and CAD-based extraction through the use of a pre-selection filter for scan data. Pre-selection enables more complex extraction strategies by allowing the main selection to operate on subsets of the scan data, and it improves extraction efficiency by processing only the required data. Pre-selection is used with group alignment to first filter the scan data based on proximity to the pre-selection CAD entities, such as datum-targets. This subset is then registered to the main selection, such as CAD surfaces. Using two-stage selection in this case enables automation of non-contact 3-to-1 alignment prior to feature extraction. Pre-selection can also be used to filter the CAD extraction zone prior to fitting or analysis. For example, section planes can be used to pre-select profiles from the scan data. These profiles are then compared to the main CAD selection as an analysis. Here, two-stage selection enables automation of line or surface profile in a single operation. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2022 Feature Highlights series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.